Howdy.
My turn?
Your turn.
We're working this out. Communication. So we got a call from Matt's Off-Road Recovery this morning. He got a call for someone stuck up out the Great Salt Lake area, and it's about what, a six and a half hour drive for him.
Yeah,
but we're only just a little over an hour away. So we called to see if we could run up and take care of him. So we're headed up with the 8.1 and the blue diesel. I think it's an F-150 that the front differential is broke. So typically if it rolls, the 8.1 would be fine, but in case the front's bound up, we might have to lift it and carry it out to pavement where we'll have a rollback waiting. And for that we would need the blue diesel with the wrecker boom in the back.
So we're gonna take both.
Yep.
And it'd be fun to play in the sand a little bit with the 8.1 because we still haven't.
Yeah.
So yeah, so we'll film along the way, and it'd probably be a fairly easy one, but
Klingon. Film down. Hello. You guys say hi to all the people out there in YouTube land.
Huh?
Right here.
say hi.
See? Right here. See them? Right here. Right here. Say hi.
Trini, say hi.
Hi.
She just turned 4 yesterday.
Yeah.
And they don't like to see me leave, so. Okay, well, we'll film along the way and hope you guys enjoy it.
Yep. I wonder if he walked over to him or if he's waiting with the truck. Got Caleb behind, and it looks like Dad right there with the tow truck. Oh, there they are over there off to the left. Looks like they're off to the left over there. And looks like Dad's up there with them. Okay. Got the tow truck here, ready to load it up. Let's check this out. Hi, I'm Ben.
Ben, pleasure.
You mind being on video?
No.
Cool. All right. Gonna have to put it in 4-wheel drive. Lots of stickies. Okay, you say it was binding up when you were trying to go. It felt like the front end was.
Yeah, but the rear end was also digging in, so I didn't try too hard.
Okay.
So it might roll, but it sure didn't look like it. But
well, if we put it in 2-wheel drive, these are vacuum operated hubs on the outside by the wheel bearing.
So it should.
So if we put it in 2-wheel drive, it should disconnect the front diff completely. So it should roll, and then we can just pull it over. And
that'll be nice.
we brought that one just in case it was locked up and we had to lift the front to drag it out. But looks like we might be able to just pull it that way and get it down to the pavement. He's still trying to 2-wheel drive. We need to lock the hubs in. Okay, they're both locked in.
Not turning?
No, neither one of them. Your drive line's not turning.
What?
You go to low range and
That was good.
look real quick. Oh, you got no bolts. where your front driveline bolts onto the transfer case, there's no bolts.
What?
Yeah. So, oh, I think it'll be fine just pulling him out because it's got the vacuum operated hub. So if we put it in two-wheel drive, nothing in the front will be connected. So I'll unlock your hubs. You're just gonna have to back out.
When did that happen?
I don't know, because it was fine in Moab.
Yeah.
So it must have fallen out going down the road. He's got no bolts in his front driveline. It's not connected to the T-case. Yeah. It didn't look like anything was broke, but crazy. All right. I will get turned around.
Well, I mean, nothing's ever supposed to break, right? But it just depends on. Let's move out of the way. Not really gonna have the answers you're looking for. That's good.
We got our Yankum rope. Just need a 20-foot for this, and our Yankum rope tow attachment point. So we like to put the rope out to the side a little bit like this. That way when I'm pulling forward, I can tell when it's getting tight. When it starts pulling in, you don't misjudge it and get a harsh pull.
When he pulls me out, when we get down onto the flat area, you want to jump in the blue diesel and
Drive it down.
drive it down.
Okay.
Do you want to ride with this, that, or that?
I can go with you.
Okay.
Ready? See if we can get a better view. Not laying in the sand with all the pokies under here. Sorry it's so loud. Yeah, look at that. Not connected at all. So these don't look broke off. They've still got threads. It's like they all just backed off and fell out. Weird. Should be easy to just put new bolts in it though. Not too bad. It's crazy. Wonder when that happened. Loaded up.
I don't know where the physical key is to pull out of it.
So I got a good look underneath it, the Driveline, and all the threads look good. So it looks like the bolts all just fell out. Like they're none of them are broke off in them, and they're not stripped out. So it looks like they just all backed out and fell out.
That's so weird.
Crazy, because you would think that we would feel it, or
Yeah.
that or one or two would back out and be loose, and then they break.
But
Something.
it was, I mean, we had it in 4-wheel drive like pretty much until we put it on the trailer.
Yeah, yeah. It's
And then
nuts. It's crazy.
It just came off and went to my house, and it's been sitting there till right now.
Unless somebody like climbed underneath it and stole them while sitting in your driveway.
Ugh. I'm gonna have to talk to Donnie.
He's got a leak in there. Pretty good.
Too many skid plates in the way.
Here you can see. Here you go.
Oh yeah, the pinion way up there at the front there. The pinion broke off.
Okay.
Yeah. Gonna need a new housing. So, it's funny that almost the exact same thing happened. My uncle borrowed my H2 Hummer, and he was getting on it at Sand Hollow and started hopping, and it did the same thing, grenaded that front part, pulled the pinion right off. But it was a lot cheaper to get a used one and just replace the whole front diff than it was to buy a housing and switch everything over.
Right?
Doctor?
What?
You're supposed. She doesn't know that movie. Running joke.